Welcome back, and in this video we will quickly go through the second method to calculate the maximum effect of the trees, ytmax. Before watching this video, look, we highly recommend you watch the previous videos just to have a better understanding of all the parameters we will discuss here. I hope by now we all know that that we need to work out this hatched area here to be able to determine the ytmax. In method 1 we discussed the trigonometry method, and now we will look at the area method. From this tree suction induced profile, we need to work out this shaded area, so we can easily take this trapezoidal area here. We can take that out, which has a design suction change at the surface level of 0.6, so that's half of 1.2 picofarad, and then we have a maximum drying depth due to the effect of the trees of 4.5 meters, and the suction value at the base of the profile is 0.55 picofarad. We will call this trapezoidal area 1. Then we can take this little slice of triangle on its own, which has a design suction change depth which also has a design suction change at the surface level of 0.6 picofarad, and the depth of design suction change is 4 meters. Okay, and we will call this area 2. Now the area that we need is simply that trapezoidal area 1 minus the triangular area 2, and that's it really. So area 1 is simply 4,500 millimeters multiplied by 0.55 plus 0.6 divided by 2. The equation for the area of a trapezoid is HA plus B divided by 2. Okay. And A is that point up here, and B is the second portion divided by 2, and that will give you 2587.5. okay, units here is picofarad millimeters. And area 2 is half base times height, half times 0.6 times 4,000, and that's 1,200. All right, and that's it. And then we say ytmax. We go back to the big formula. Ytmax is equal to the soil shrinkage index 2.918 times the alpha factor, which is 1, multiplied by area 3, which is 1387.5, and all divided by 100. And the answer is 40.5 millimeters, which is exactly the same as what has been given to us in the code. Now this method is a lot simpler than method 1. Much more easier than method 1. In the next video we will discuss method 3, which is my favorite method, and this method is called the integration method. I believe the integration method is a little bit harder than method 1 and method 2. However, it is the most useful method, and it's very important to understand. Once you're able to grasp the integration method, I believe you can do any problem, and you can solve any problem. So yeah, well, we hope you've enjoyed this little video. So please subscribe, share and like, so that others may also learn. Until next time, we hope you have a great afternoon.